Introduce short overview of roborock RockMow X115H, robot lawn mower. How does it differ from other brands? Because, consists of the following features. Wire-free setup and 0.37 acre max coverage. Eliminate the exhausting chore of burying perimeter wires. Designed to effortlessly manage up to 0.37 acre of lawn, this advanced robot lawn mower offers flexible dual mapping options. Choose AI auto mapping powered by Centisphere technology to effortlessly chart open lawns, or use app-controlled manual mapping to steer the mower like a remote control for custom, hyper-precise boundary tracing around complex garden features. Full band RTK plus quad vision navigation. Say goodbye to lost signals and erratic wandering. Powered by a premium full-band RTK and an industry-leading quad-camera AI vision dual navigation system, this robot mower maintains pinpoint positioning even under dense tree canopies, near high fences, or in shaded tight corners. It smoothly glides through narrow passages and complex yard layouts, providing stable, continuous coverage. Pro-grade 4WD and revolutionary active steering. Conquer uneven and challenging terrains with a heavy-duty 4WD drive system that masterfully handles incredible 80%, 38.7 degrees, slopes and massive 3.15-inch obstacles. Equipped with an advanced active steering system, it turns with unmatched agility without tearing or harming your turf. Paired with a dynamic suspension system, it maintains a perfectly stable posture on rugged ground for a flawlessly uniform cut. Expansive 9.49 inches cutting and multi-sensor obstacle avoidance. Slash your mowing time with an upgraded, wider 9.49 inch or 24 centimeters cutting width and a flexible cutting height ranging from 1.57 to 3.54 inches. Driven by a powerful multi-sensor fusion obstacle avoidance system utilizing 4 advanced sensors. It intelligently bypasses static garden objects, safely steers clear of humans or pets, and delivers a completely safe, unsupervised, and highly efficient mowing experience. Smart app, included 4G and anti-theft protection. Take full command with the roborock app to customize multi-zone schedules, view a real-time progress dashboard, and activate wildlife-friendly mode. Combined with a PIN code lockout, a high-decibel alarm, and real-time GPS tracking, you can enjoy ultimate, long-range peace of mind. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.